Oh yeah. My top down. We rolling. It's the light though. And we riding, and we rolling, and we love it. I ain't know this, we cruising. And we riding, and we rolling, and we love it. I ain't know this, we cruising.
Crew, what it do? This your boy Chris, and I'm back with another video, man. So another day, I hate when I do this. Another day, another dollar, man. We got another mod we doing. So if y'all didn't already, we did get the rear diffuser done the other day. Shout out to my boy Walt.
Yes, sir. Back at it again, baby.
Back again. So what we doing today is we're gonna go ahead and try to get this wing put on. You know, we ran out of sunlight the other day, but we're gonna go ahead and get this slapped on now. This basic ass.
Make the little duck noise.
Man. It's garbage, man. So
Yeah, out with the OEM, man.
yeah, we gotta get that off.
Aftermarket.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thrown on. So I'm gonna get the camera set up so y'all can kind of see as we throw it on. It shouldn't take too long,
Easy peasy.
from what I've seen, but we'll see. But I definitely think it's gonna definitely change the look of the car and stuff like that.
It's gonna give it that bulkiness, that bulky muscle
Yup.
on the rear end.
Yup. And we ain't wrapped it yet.
And these new wheels on the back, they so stocky and stout. That's already adding an aggressive style to it.
Come on, dog.
Yeah,
Come on, dog. You know, some light, some light. But yeah, we'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm gonna snap these off while you grab this. Yeah, damn. Oh shit, I thought I was gonna snap this, man. Let me worry about these little ones first. I ain't trying to break that, y'all. My boy Walt, he a lot more mechanically inclined than I am. But little shit like this, I should be able to do on my own. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I dropped the bolt. There you go. Already. Get your ass out. Let me just put these down here. Woo! I'm getting hot already.
So what am I on the phone?
What?
I heard a fan bow.
Just talk.
I thought you said what? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Hey, edit this out, bro, because these skills too damn good. We're about to do this wing delete with the factory wing. Put this GT500 wing on. And in order to do so, it's 3 10mm bolts. One on the far side, one in the center, right above the horse, and one right on this end. So one on each side, one in the middle. It's 3 bolts, 10 mils. You gotta undo those. Once you do that, you gotta take the little push pins out, this little trunk panel, to access that center bolt. So there's 2 or 1? Oh, there's 2. I apologize. 2 in the center, 2 on the outside, so 4 10 mils total. Once you get those undone, you're gonna wanna use your heat gun, heat up this adhesive underneath the wing, above this trunk, and slowly peel it up. Start on this side, work your way to the middle, work your way to the other side. Easy peasy.
Oh, hell yeah. This is crazy. Get your heat gun if you ain't got one. Make your whole life easy.
I'm talking about so much shit, pain, and everything. Alright.
Back side right here. Yeah. There it is. See you. Just gonna ride out like that.
Billy dissing me, man.
No wing shouted. Finna be out here naked with it. Alright, y'all. So we got that original spoiler off so far. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna actually clean up this little part right here, get all this little gunk and goo and glue and all that stuff of there. And then once that's cleaned up, we're gonna put some more adhesive down, and then should be able to just put the GT500 spoiler on top of it. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we We probably been working on this part right here where the glue was at for probably about what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes?
Yeah, about 40. I'm talking about, I feel like I just left the gym doing the damn bicep workout.
Man, we was scraping it with different stuff. We put glue gun on it. We put a heat gun on it. Down there, burnt the fingers off.
1, 2. What else we use?
Shit, credit cards.
The little thing behind you that broke.
What's that? Oh yeah, a little piece like that done snapped up.
Credit cards.
Was gonna cut my paint with this. I had to stop and let that go. And guess what finally ended up working?
Damn elbow grease.
So Walt got the thing and just started rubbing hard like this, bro, and it finally started coming off.
Damn elbow grease.
We should have did that in the first place. That's crazy. But it's like it didn't want to go at first.
It did.
You gotta put a little muscle into it. Boom, boom, bada. There it is.
Yeah, Sirski.
Mr. Do It All. Mr. Do something. Mr. Do something for two something.
Man, you on something.
What time is it? Shit. My watch did. Damn. Oh yeah, we got the two something. What you looking at? What's that?
Yo, Trump.
What, scrapes?
Oh, that ain't scrapes.
Ah, but yeah.
Yeah,
we be all good. Well, that part done, so now we finna clean it up. Let it breathe for a minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop that new wing on, so we'll be right back. Alright y'all, so we definitely got it cleaned up to where we shouldn't have no issue putting the new spoiler down. So we'll add a little bit more adhesive to the new wing, and then we're gonna put that in there and screw it in, and we should be done. Took us a little minute, you know what I'm saying, to get the glue off, but for the most part, we straight now.
No gump, no good, no mess.
None of that.
Also, the only thing touching is this and this. That's it. Line up, Chris.
Stop.
The trunk gonna have to get trimmed.
No, it ain't.
Take your hand out over there.
We gotta go.
Aftermarket, you always gotta do pre-clips. You gotta push it. You don't wanna bend steel.
Just gotta come up, out, pull it out more, just go over.
Try it again. Mine ain't gonna hold down for it like shit.
Something just fall out of it?
Yeah. Nah, that was a little black.
Oh yeah, we gonna be in there. Cause I'm there.
You in there?
Yeah, my thing just fell though. Hold on. This right here for
You sure you want it? Oh, God.
I probably didn't get that now. Yeah. Yep. You press it down? Yes, sir. No, sir. That's it. It's in there. Did I pop you out? Once we screw that bitch, it's in there.
I ain't tight with you.
No.
I don't want it too smooth.
Right. I like when that little black gun came in, 'cause it's tight.
This one.
All right, y'all, so we finally got the wing done. And I ain't gonna lie, I love how it look between that and the new diffuser that we put on here down below. As y'all see, you got that matte black and then the matte black on top here with the wing. Definitely turned my car up, you know, between the black, hitting that orange is perfect. Then they got the wheels right here, beefed up, them 305s, some drag radials on the back. Man.
Oh, it looks like a toy, bro.
It do.
It look like a whole
It's a Hot Wheel.
It look like a Hot Wheel toy.
It's just a Hot Wheel
It's
now.
an angle, bro. Come here.
Let me come over here and see what my boy talking
You
about.
got the hips, the thick shoes on,
And the
the
slide
stocky aggressiveness in the back.
Shit.
That's it right there.
It's a Hot Wheel.
Yeah. That wing did so much.
It is, bro.
Cause it go with the side skirt now.
Yup.
It go with the side skirt.
Everything
Complement
is
the wheel.
black.
Yeah.
And then you got the gloss black
The whole
on the
trim.
trunk.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a job well done, brother.
Yeah. That's what's up. And y'all ain't seen nothing yet, bro. They got some grill lights that's coming, so it ain't gonna be the regular RTR grill lights, which are dope, don't get me wrong. But the ones that I got, y'all see. Y'all see. They're different from, you know, the ones I done seen. Especially, you know, where I'm at now, but it's coming together. I definitely gonna have to go ahead and put some lowering springs on here though, because only thing about it, like, this gap is kind of starting to irritate me. I know that's me being picky. The back is cool. It's not much gap on the back at all, but the front, especially when you're looking at it for like, I don't know if y'all can tell from this angle, but yeah, we're gonna have to drop that. It's better than what it was before I put the wheels on there, but yeah, I definitely gotta change that. But all in all, bro, like, this is dope as hell back here. Real sports car. I love it. I love it. So we finna sign out. My boy Walt. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe.
Coming soon, I promise.
Got to, man. Got to. We finna.
Walt's World, man. Walt's World. Stay tuned for Walt's World.
My boy.
You alright? Yeah, I'm back. I'm fine. Got a little razzle dazzle. It's alright.
Don't mind me, y'all. Hey, I just look like this.
What you been doing? Move our car? Alright. So we finna close it out, man. Just stay tuned for all the content we got coming, man. I swear to God, it's just a start. This car gonna be crazy when it's done. So y'all definitely, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like, comment, let me know how you feel about the build, about the car, what you wanna see next. And just stay tuned, like I always say, man. Stay tuned. Stay locked in. Stay cruising with your boy. And I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Appreciate y'all.